Want to check the battery status on your Samsung phone? You can do it quickly using the built-in Samsung Members app. Let me show you how. First, open the Samsung Members app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Under Phone Diagnostics, tap Get Started. Now, find and select Battery Status. Your phone will run a quick battery diagnostic and show you the current condition of your battery. The result may show normal, weak, or bad. Normal means there are no battery performance issues. Weak means the battery efficiency may have decreased, while bad indicates significant battery degradation. If you don't have Samsung Members installed, you can download it from the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store. And that's how you can check your Samsung phone's battery status in just a few taps. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more Samsung tips, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.